Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you another beautiful collection of crochet wall hangings, and this time I have unique crochet fairy garden wall hanging designs, unique designs with amazing color schemes of different shades of green, and you can see these designs are in different sizes. You will see small, medium and large size wall hanging designs in this video. All of them are very unique, and these designs are just having different leaves, and curlicues are made in some of the design like this one, and flowers are added in these designs too. Simple 2-row flowers are added in some of the designs, and you will also see other different crochet flowers, and in some of the designs rolling flowers or 2-layer or 3-layer flowers are added, like this one is having 2-layer along with a simple crochet 2-row flower. So different kinds of designs are included, and I hope you're gonna love them all. Just give this video a big thumbs up if you like these designs. You will find almost 30 plus ideas in this video, so just watch it till the end as well to get all ideas. And let me know in the comments as well if you are interested in seeing tutorial videos of these kinds of wall hangings as well. I will make it for you. So just drop down below your comments about any suggestions of tutorial videos or ideas videos as well, because this channel is all about crochet tutorial videos and ideas videos of all types of handmade products which are related to wearable accessories of women and kids and are related to home decoration products ideas. So stay connected to get all of them, and I hope you're gonna love all of the ideas which I present on this channel. So just share this video with other handmade products lovers in your circle as well, so that they can also get benefit from these type of ideas videos containing latest trends. You can just take a screenshot of any specific design which you want to make. If you know crochet work, you can easily make them, because these are simple designing ideas with just curlicues, simple chains, and on simple chains mostly single crochet stitch or a half double crochet stitch is made, and along with that different petals are made at 5 to 6 chains difference or maximum 10 chain difference, so you can just make them easily. Simple crochet flowers are made in almost all of these designs, so if you know crochet work, you can easily make them with the help of picture.